Hello friends, and welcome back to another Sunday reset video. So it's actually Friday when I'm filming this, which is when I usually film these videos, and then they go up on Sunday. But I just received my Instacart order, and it's from Kroger this time, which is what I've been recently doing. So I'm just unpacking everything. I've been doing sort of smaller orders just for the week, just to go along with our meal plan, since groceries are so high right now and we still have a good bit of meat in our freezer. So I'm going to unpack this, and then I'll go ahead and go over my meal plan for the week as well as the grocery haul. All right, the washing machine's going, so hopefully y'all can hear me, but here is our grocery haul for this week. Got some more bread flour, some coffee. I actually think I like this brand better than Starbucks, but it doesn't really matter because it's the only brand I can get right now. So yay for that. Some more coffee creamer, some juice for Sophie, a 2-pack of cream cheese, some milk and some heavy cream. I got these eggs. These are 3 18-packs. Some Carb Balance tortillas for our fajitas. They never have the fajita size at Kroger for some reason, but that's all right. Some bananas, and I got a couple avocados, a couple of onions for fajitas and some other stuff. Some strawberries, a small thing of blackberries, some cheddar cheese, a cucumber, some shredded carrots for salad, some tomatoes for salad. Got some corn. We're gonna do some barbecue chicken tomorrow. It's been really warm and nice here. So we're gonna grill out. Some potatoes. I got a couple of red bell peppers, some of these green onions, and then some romaine lettuce. So this is what we got for groceries this week, and I'll show you our meal plan as well. Okay, so today is Friday pizza night. This is usually when I kind of do our home reset, and then the video goes up on Sunday, so a lot of times we'll label it a Sunday reset video, but it's actually occurring on Friday. Friday's pizza night. I have the dough in the refrigerator right now. Tomorrow we're gonna do barbecue chicken, corn and salad, or possibly rice. Kind of flexible on that. Definitely corn and barbecue chicken. And then on Sunday, we're going to do fajitas. We've been doing those usually on Saturday, but I think we're going to do them on Sunday this week. I'm going to make a spaghetti casserole. I haven't made it in a long time, but it's really good. It's just like spaghetti noodles with our 0-point sauce, and then I also put ground beef in that, and then you kind of layer it with some cream cheese and some like regular cheese and everything. It's really good. We're going to have leftovers on Tuesday because that makes enough for all 4 of us to eat a couple of times. So Gary will be out of town. We're going to do salmon and grits and probably broccoli. I didn't write that up there, but I've got some broccoli that I want to use. And then on Thursday, we're going to make the breakfast casserole that we have around Christmas time for dinner. It's like a tater tot breakfast casserole, and it's really good. And I just thought, let's do something different, and we'll have that. I do have that in one of our videos. It's like a Christmas. It's this past Christmas. It's like a Christmas cook with me video or whatever, but I'll try to remember to link that down below. So this is our meal plan for this week. So Gary's taking the extra things out to the garage refrigerator, and I'm going to get everything else put away.
It's the same old story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause this door won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my
Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
'Cause I know I need a start to let you know. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go too soon. Oh, I'll be strong.
So we just finished breakfast. We had hash brown bowls this morning. I didn't show that because I've shown that on here so many times. But if you are new here, it's basically just hash browns with a little bit of bacon, kind of broken up over the top of it with eggs and then sprinkled with cheese. So now I'm getting cleaned up after breakfast so that we can move on with the day. I try to do this if possible, but sometimes, if I'm being honest, I will let everything sit in the kitchen and go ahead and do homeschooling with Sophie or whatever else needs to happen that day. So in this case, I decided that it would be better to go ahead and get cleaned up. Sophie had just had a shower, so she was letting her hair dry, and she was helping me. She's kind of off camera right here, but she's handing me stuff, and she is a great little helper.
It's the only way to start to let you know. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Letting go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in.
All right, we got breakfast done, we got school done, got all the groceries put up, kitchen cleaned, and Sophie and I are headed
To the library.
It's library day. Mostly picked up in here, and we finished school. We still need to clean up over here, but we'll do that when we get back. Today we had science, history, and a little bit of reading that we didn't get done yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Look at this hair. Look how long Sophie's hair is. She washed her hair this morning, so we're still letting it dry a little bit. It's really warm out here today. I bet it's getting close to 80 degrees.
We all strive to be more. We all long for viva la vida. Around the corner I'll meet ya. A bit lighter and freer. I'm so happy to see ya.
You want to show us the book she got at the library?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so we got a Fancy Nancy. Another Fancy Nancy. Sophie loves Fancy Nancy.
I love that too.
Pete the Kitty. We have a lot of these Pete the Cat books. She loves them too. It's another Pete the Cat. We learned about energy today, kinetic and potential energy, so we got a book about energy. Lyle Crocodile. And this book about Joseph from the Bible. She likes that story, so we got that one too. Got our 7 books. That's my library trick. We only get 7 books because then everybody in the whole family knows how many books we're looking for. And what's our other rule about library books? Where do we keep them, Sophie?
Right over there.
Yeah,
Not in my room.
Yeah, we keep them in the little blue container. You want to go put them over
The
there?
wool, leave them right over there, not in my room because you can't find them in my room.
Yeah, they get lost forever, don't they?
Yep. You are.
So this is our library storage right here. Right, so in the last video I showed y'all how I changed my freezer system. I've changed it a little bit since that video. This is all like homemade ice cream and then the freezer thing for our ice cream maker. And then over here, this is all like meals for the week. So these are kind of limited on how high you can go because it's got to slide up under like that. But here we're having chicken tomorrow. I need to go ahead and bring that out of the freezer to thaw. I've got some hash browns that we're using in the mornings. I've got these tater tots for our breakfast casserole. One big steak for our fajitas, and then some ground beef for our spaghetti casserole. So that's like all the frozen food that we'll need for this week, and I've just got it right here in this area, so that makes it a little bit easier for me to meal plan. So now I'm trying to get a few other things that really need to be done today finished, because my family and I had decided that we really wanted to get out of the house. The weather was so great. Even though we had a lot of pollen, it was still really, really nice weather, really warm. And so I'm going ahead and getting the pizzas ready for supper so that we can leave the house and the dough can just continue to rise like it needs to. I've got a few things I want to finish up, and then we're going to go to Harbor Town and walk around, just kind of get out and enjoy the sun.
Away your sorrow and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night.
Now, I'm obviously not a psychologist, but I do think that having living plants in your home can really reduce your stress. I don't know if it's just me, but I find watering the plants and just having them in the home to be really therapeutic. I really enjoy it. And for some reason, it's just like really a calming thing to do, to go around and water the plants. I usually try to do that once a week and on my reset day, which is usually on Friday.
New day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding.
Now I'm using my mixer attachment to shred some cheese. I have some mozzarella cheese that I need to shred up for our pizzas, and then I also have some cheddar cheese that we use most of the time. That block of cheese that you saw in the grocery haul, I have like 3 blocks of that I want to go ahead and get shredded up so it's easy to use, and I usually just do this all at once and get it all knocked out.
I am so amazed by all you have done. I cannot explain the depth of your love. Limits can't contain the heart of you, God. I'm amazed at the depth of your love. Your mercy came and found me, gave me a second birth. I'm overwhelmed and grateful. You took what I deserve. I am so amazed by all you have done. I cannot explain the depth of your love. Limits can't contain the heart of you, God. I'm amazed at the depth of your love.
All right, I got all of the 3 blocks of cheddar shredded. This is 2 of the blocks, and we usually use a glass container to have about 1 block worth to use for the week. So this I'll just put in the drawer and it'll be ready to go. And then the mozzarella block, this is what we have here. We'll probably use this, about half of it for the pizzas tonight and then the other half next week. So that was good to get it all done at one time. I'm getting ready to get these pizzas in the oven. Just waiting for my oven to preheat. It needs to be at 500. So we're gonna go ahead and get these going and have some supper. So while I was waiting on the oven to preheat, I needed some butter, so I decided to go ahead and make that while I had the mixer and everything out. So I just made the butter. I've shown that in a previous video, but all you really do is use your mixer to take about a quart of heavy cream and just mix it until the buttermilk and the butter separate. And then you're gonna take the butter out, you're gonna rinse it really good, add salt if you want to, and then strain your buttermilk so you can use it for something else. Like usually I use it for buttermilk pancakes.
Heart of you, God, I'm amazed at the depth of your love. Clap your hands and you'll feel stronger. Tomorrow you get another chance. Don't blame yourself under the circumstances.
Thanks for being here today, friend. We'll see you next time. Bye.